So you deal with Kush. You want something to drink? Me have liquor and sit down there, you know.
No man, I'm good man. Yeah, me answer still. I true. Go link you because I say from where you promise me I bring the thing on here. So wow.
See you over quench man, I'm here wait for you with the pill man. Give me the man here that you bring it.
Oh, John, when you come like you need it desperate.
Tell him you need it man, nothing now.
Hold this. You hear this still? Just take it 1 hour before you do your thing and sleep and make it soaking. Make sure so it's soaking. You know.
Hour before?
Yeah. I'm mad something I give man, you know. You see?
Kush,
So if that not work, you would
need to work.
Boy, may I tell you, say, not even Jesus can save you, would.
Yo, need it. Need this work.
Alright,
oh, yo.
yourself.
It's your ex-girl there. Tina.
What's Shadi?
You girl a bleach, man.
Boy, man.
The girl what? You say the way the girl what if you go on the beach and me will catch her rasta.
They know
big woman
one day she text me and I say, yo, I forgive her paid, but guess what?
Why people do nothing themselves like that wrong with the world, you know? Man a turn woman, woman a turn man. Yo.
Can't different the boy from the girl. But everything good. Jigga, big up yourself, you know, you're a real nigga, you know. Big up yourself.
Thanks again.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
I just can't believe the way I do my youth.
Yo, dad, don't worry about nothing.
Brother, I'm saying
Everything
shoot
good,
nobody my youth. That me I talk about, brother. And me I set up, you know. I mean I never bargain for this, brother.
Brother, we're going there, me tie up a girl, me not even know say a girl like a more bad man. What you want me to do?
Brother, me ain't no bargain for this. And that we are talk about, brother. Me. Remember you send me to prison already, you know, brother. And
no worry.
Yo, your bargain say you ain't shoot nobody my youth. And you shoot the woman my youth.
Yo, me tie up a girl and me never know say a girl like a more bad man and me have to put one pan.
That have nothing to do with what you do on my youth. Every time you abuse it, you set me up now, brother. That me I talk about, you know.
Set up. See money a bad man, what you talk about? See money ya, we go forget the money.
Yo, just make sure me get my money, Mike. Yo, we even, that was the last one, you know. Just remember that, you know.
Brother, everything good, man. I get for your money, man. Alright, man. Don't worry about you.
Yo, coach. I go on. What does they are going easy? Guess who I'm running to? Yeah, Chucky. Look at the thing what enemy have. And we cycle it down. They're going to tell us just easy, man. And I tell you just weird how things happen. Remember when we used to lift up. And I go, oh, Chucky play ball. Like, best ball I ever see, you know. In person, you know. I tell you the... The blue pill. Man, you take it already. Ah, listen to me. I tell you, say nothing no work, you know. Nothing no work. That no work. And a good thing too, cause Steph not even there. What? She's not there. I just hope that no work. Ah, we link it tomorrow. Babe, you have to come home. You have to come home. No. Come. Alright.
Oh gosh, yeah. Oh yes. 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 Oh yes. Ooh, yes. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Oh. You're expecting someone?
No man, just put yourself together, yeah? Man, I need it soon.
Okay.
Oh, that.
Oh, my door, man. So they can't come in.
Mama, you know, say me have one little thing and take on here. So what I go on, Mama?
When you shoot the girl from my girl. Me tell you if you shoot the girl.
Yo, me I tell you,
You shoot the girl
everything
from
so
my
fast, youth.
Will you shoot the girl from my
Mama,
youth?
me tell you, say, me go up on the ends and me I tell you, say, tie up a girl and tell the girl to stay there.
What you mean? Me tell you say tie up a girl if you tie up a girl. What you mean? What you
Everything
mean?
happen fast, me tell the girl to stay there so the
Give
girl.
me my money, man. Give me my money, man. I want my money, man.
Not even a million name they did it to a 700
Give me my
girl.
money, man. Give me my money, man. Give me my money, man.
Yo, Mama. You know,
Give me money, man. How much money this
I never
man?
$700,000 did that, you know. I never $1 million did that, $700,000 I get.
What you mean 700,000, man? Me sure it's $1 million there in my
Everything
youth.
happen fast, you. That money them I get you, and I give you 350 out tight, you.
Yo, make sure say I'm changing our 50,000 this you know.
Yeah, man. So, Mama, you know nothing else to me.
Yo, make sure you're not growing me now. Make sure say this I get you know. Man, I have nothing more for you neither. Me done with it right now. Man, I have nothing more for you.
Sure, no.
No.
Sure, no, star. Oh. Tell you what.
But never know say you have gun and money.
So, hold on. You were listening to my conversation?
Say that again.
Oh, my God.
No. Just she was talking very loud, so I'm kind of overhear some things. So I want you, but still, when you reach New York, you'll be like a great hit. You know, you're really talented.
Yo, I already know that, man. I'm a star. You know that. You know what I'm saying? That's
Baby, you know when you reach a New York, you know you're a star already. You think I go up, you go do song with Drake. Big
Listen.
Sean.
I already know that, man. I'm already a star, man. That's why you want me, right?
You're gonna do songs with Lil Wayne, Drake.
Listen, I already know I'm a star, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you want me, right?
Yes, but I want you for other things too.
You know what? I really think you should go, man. Because your brother don't really like to see me and you together. You know what I'm saying?
Forget about my brother. It's us. We're here. So let's enjoy.
You know what? I really think you should go. I got a whole heap of things on my mind. A lot of things. You know what I'm saying? So I think you should put yourself together and just go.
So you'll call me later?
Yeah, man. I'll call you when I think you reach home and you're safe, alright?
Alright.